गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीबॉडी। माय नेम इज सुरेश। मैं तेजस इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में हिंदी अध्यापक हूँ। आज तीसरी कक्षा और चौथी कक्षा अब बेसिक्स सीखने के लिए यहाँ पर उपस्थित है। जो पिछली क्लास में जो आप लोग सुना है वर्णमाला, आज हमें सीख रहा है मात्राएं। जो वर्णमाला में आपने पढ़ा है, जो टोटल हिंदी का वर्णमाला 3 भाग में बांटा गया, the 3 parts. One is that vowels, that we call that in Hindi swar, and the second part is that consonants, that is called that vyanjan, and the third part is that samyuktakshar, that will be called that combined letters. So आज हमें सीख रहा है जो वर्णमाला में केवल स्वर के लिए कुछ मात्राएं होता है और उसको कहता है 12 कड़ी। 12 द टोटल आपके स्वर है 13 लेटर्स, बट हियर आई एम गोइंग टू से ओनली द 12 कड़ीज। 12 कड़ी, 12 मीन्स दैट इज द 12, kadi means that is a sticks. The stick means you are going to thinking that one stick, this is the stick. 12 means 12, kadi means stick, that is called 12 kadi. And you have any doubt, the total there is a 13 letters, but why you are going to say only 12 letters have any the sticks? Because the first letter is a a. That is the basic word. If anything you are going to talk in, the A is then pronounced in every letter. So that's why there is no any separate matra for A. So removing that A, the remaining is that the 12 letters. The one is that first we are going to say that the bara kadi, it will be called that matra. In English it will be called that the symbols. Only स्वर के लिए symbols होता है। आपने पक्का ध्यान रखिए, इसके अंदर स्वर के लिए आपको मात्राएं होता है। पहली मात्रा, सपोज हियर यू आर गोइंग टू सिंग दैट आ। सो हमेशा आपने ध्यान दीजिए, मात्राएं 2 किस्म की होता है। जो स्वर है 2 किस्म के स्वर है, मात्राएं, व्यंजन सब है, आपका तो 2 व्यक्ति में क्रिया करता है। एक लिप्त काल, दूसरा 2 लिप्त काल में बोलने वाला। एक लिप्त काल में बोलने वाला, 2 लिप्त काल में बोलने वाला। एक लिप्त काल में, लिप्त काल मीन्स 1 single eyelid drop. ఒక కన్ను చూపు మేరలో మాట్లాడేటువంటి వర్డ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటిని ఏక లిప్త కాలము అని చెప్పారు. అదే వర్డ్స్ 2 లిప్త కాలములు పలికేటువంటి వర్డ్స్ ఏంటంటే దీర్ఘాక్షరం అని చెప్పి కనిపిస్తుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఆ, దట్ ఈస్ అ సింగిల్. సపోజ్ వెన్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు చెకింగ్, ఒక కన్నీరొప్ప కాలంలో పలికేటువంటి వర్డ్స్ కాబట్టి వీటిని లిప్త కాల్ అని చెప్పి కనిపిస్తుంది. ఆ, and already I said to you there is no any matra a for that a. This is the basic, so that's why you are going to writing that dash. This is the dash. So every letter, even in the Hindi akshar, every letter you have an a. So that is that this is that a symbol, and you are going to writing that one of the small dash. The second one is a when you finding out about my voice and pronunciation, you will be find दीर्घमु, the सुदीर्घ काल में आपने बोलते जाता है इसको 2 लिप्त काल बोलता है आ. This is the pronunciation. When you are going to writing that one a plus a की मात्रा, this is that matra a. You must be find out this one. This is the matra a. Today our class is going to say about matra a. The first one is a dash. There is no any matra a, for I am not going to writing that one anything, so that's why you can be writing that one here a. That's it. Again second one is a ki matra a plus a, that is called that a ki matra. The third one is that e. Whenever you are going to writing that one e ki matra a, it is very simple. The most number of the students will be confused. The which one I want to give? This one. This is the E ki matra, and this is the E ki matra. What is the difference? Did you find out that any difference between the two letters? Yes. The one is that very simple to understand, to keep that understanding about this one, remembering this word. The first one, E ki matra, always looks like the English alphabets, the small f. When you are writing the small f, that is in Hindi, it will be called that E ki matra. And again, E ki matra, yes, here you find it out that one, E ki matra. Whenever you are going to find out that one, what is that? Reverse. This is the proper way and this is the improper way. When you are writing that improper way, that is called that E ki matra. That's next one. U ki matra. U. That is that. What is that you are going to writing that one? In Hindi, there is a U ki matra. So whenever you are going to writing like this is called that U ki matra. And again, U Dirghakshar. So find out that one. Find out my pronunciation. When you find out that very clearly, it is the very easy to find out and it is very easy to write. When you learn this is the basics and it is the very easy to complete the total Barakadi. So these are the basics. When you will find out that one very clearly. Are you going to find out this letters in board? Okay. So U ki matra, that is the reverse. Whenever you are going to writing like this, suppose you are going to writing this is that U ki matra. The simply you can find out this one, the umbrella stick. How it was? It was the curved and it was going down. So that is called U ki matra. The next one is the Re ki matra. And again here is the confusion. So much. Whenever you are going to writing that one, that is that the words in the Barakadi, you will be find out this one. This is the most number of the students is going to writing. This is the wrong. The Re ki matra. What is that mean? You are going to writing that one small c. And in the English alphabets, the small c, whenever you are writing, that will be called that Re ki matra. And in the even pronunciation, some students are also the making into the Telugu. So what is that one? Ru. And here is the aru. Somebody is going to spelling that one aru. No, this will be called that Re. That is called that Re ki matra. And the next one is the A ki matra. A. What is that one? Here is that I am going to show it to you. One of the straight line. This is the straight line and this is the slanting line. So did you find out the one here? What is the one? Slanting line. A ki matra, one slanting line. And I ki matra, and you are finding out that one of that I. This is the I letter. I means the two slanting letters. So don't write. So many students is going to writing like this. This is the I. No, this is the wrong. Whenever you are learning the basics perfectly, it is the very easy to spell and to learn Hindi. It is a very easy language. So you must be write two slanting lines. This is the correct way. This is the correct way. Did you find out any difference between the two? One is that this is the wrong and this is the right. So don't forget about this one. The next one is a O ki matra. A, I, O. That is the O ki matra. What is that one? One standing line and one of the slanting line. This is the straight line or standing line, or you will be called that one of the slanting line. So this is called O. And again that one, what is that? O, O. O means one of the straight line and two slanting lines. The slanting lines always be that curved line. It will be called that in English. It is the curved line. Curved means it will be going to that slanting. So very good. Are you understand that one? Did you find out the difference between that O and O? Very good. This is that O ki matra. A. When you will be learn that one, what will be right? O. Very good. Now one of the most important thing, that is that last two but one. What is that one? Bindu. What is the way? Did you find it on here? That is the bindu. The most number of the students will be write the bindu like this. Did you find it out, my friend? Somebody is going to write in the circle. No. When you are going to write in this one, this is the wrong. Bindu. That is means only you must be write the total full bindu. That is a dot. So where you will find out that very easily. Whenever you are going to see your mother's face, that is the one of the bindu. She is going to giving the bindu, so it is the very easy to find out. This is the bindu. Bindu. How will we pronounce that word? That where it will be going to giving the bindu. So आगे बिंदु देने से The next one is a aha. Aha. Aha means what will be called that one? Two bindus. Don't write the bindus in the parallel one. No, this is the wrong one. When you will be write this is the straight bindus, that is the correct one. This will be pronounced as a aha. What is that one? Very good. Aha. A plus aha. Aha. So the last one is a very most important thing, that is the Ardha Chandrakar. Ardha. In what is that meaning? That is the Ardha means half. Chandra. Chandra means that is the moon. Half moon. Kar. Ardha Chandrakar. Kar means that is the symbol. So you are going to writing this is the half moon, and in the middle there is a sum of the bindu. It should be called that Ardha Chandrakar. How it should be pronounced? It pronounced with using of that nose. Ha. Ha. So now I am going to show to you the one of the Barakadi. When you learn this one, it is very easy to find out that. So first children, pronounce with me. What is the name? A ki matra. A ki matra. E ki matra. E ki matra. U की मात्रा, U की मात्रा, री की मात्रा, ए की मात्रा, आई की मात्रा, ओ की मात्रा, औ की मात्रा, bindu. Don't try to say that one chukka or any more. No way. That is called bindu. This is called visarga. Visarga or Chakra Bindu. There is two words. What is that one? Bindu and Chakra Bindu. This is the Bindu and this is the Chakra Bindu or Visarga. And the last one is the Ardha Chandrakar. Suppose I am going to write and show you to that one how it should be pronounced. Once again I am going to repeat it. So you will see remembrance. So A ki matra, A ki matra, E की मात्रा, E की मात्रा, U की मात्रा, U की मात्रा, री की मात्रा, ए की मात्रा, आई की मात्रा, ओ की मात्रा, औ की मात्रा, बिंदु, चक्र बिंदु, अर्ध चंद्राकार. Did you find it out? Very good. So whenever you are going to writing that Barakadi for the letters, I said only vowels have no any Barakadi. Only consonants have a Barakadi. In the consonants, the every letter is that equal. When you learn this one, it is very easy to write down the Barakadi using these words, and it is very easy. There is no any difference. You will never feel that any such type of difficulty to write down that Barakadi, except two letters. In the total words, there is only two letters are difference to write down, that is the Barakadi. What is that one? What is the two letters? One is that Ha. The one is that Ha. And another word is that R. Ha and Ra. These are the two letters. When you are going to writing, making the practice, the two letters have a different in Barakadi. Now suppose I am going to show to you, the first one is a Ha. Suppose what is the difference? Did you find it out then? Ha. This is that Ha ki matra dene se Ha. And the second one is a Ha ki matra dene se Ha. And the next one हा की ई की मात्रा देने से ही, एंड नेक्स्ट वन हा की ई की मात्रा देने से ही, हा की ऊ की मात्रा देने से हु. Here is the difference. So many children will be right. That is the u की मात्रा and हा की ऊ की मात्रा देने से हु. So many will be right. Here they are going to writing that one who. So whenever you are going to writing here, that will be difficult. That will be find out that one is the very difficult. Who. And next one who. So what is that one? Who. And up to here you are that very easy to find out that one. But here is that re. The re ki matra when you will be writing that one, that is the difference. So I already showed to you, here is that re ki matra. So when you will be writing that one, he like this, that will be wrong. This is the wrong. So what is that one? Here you will be find out that one true. That is that here. Don't try to touch. ఇక్కడ ఎట్టి పరిస్థితిలో హాకి టచ్ కాకూడదు. That is the basic. When it should be touched, this is the wrong. And when you will be without touching your writing, that is the true. What you will be spell that one? True. The next one is a R. What is that one here? The next letter is a R. Whenever you are going to write that one R, and here is that some of the letters difference. There is a three letters are difference. One is that re and padan. Rape, padan. This is called that. You will be find out this one in the matrae. And whenever you will be writing that barakadi, and you can be find out that one very easy. So this is that today's class, and you are going to finding out that one in the next class. We will be say about that in detail about that one barakadi and matrae. Barakadi and matrae. You will be find out that one very. Okay, now once again I am going to say to you, you will be understand this one and make it practice in your home. Thank you. We will be meeting in the next class. Please stay home, healthy.